Hey, how's it going? I just want to give a shout out to Gavin. He really helped me out recently and did something. So I was doing this task and it was wasting a lot of time and a lot of money. It was just completely repetitive. It was exhausting. It was tiring. It's just like the same thing over and over again. I was literally wasting my time, doing like a 10-cent activity because it was just very repetitive and it had to be done. It's one of those things. And he came in and we had a conversation about it. And first and foremost, he really understood what my problem was and really understood how to solve it. And when he told me that he could solve it, I was obviously relieved. Literally, he came back to me and he created something that literally took my time from like hours to literally seconds. So he really solved my problem. He really did a fantastic solution, and he helped me out a lot. So if you would be thinking of reaching out to him or having a chat to him about essentially potentially automating something of yours or building something that's going to save you time or make you money, I definitely would recommend him. Fantastic guy and really, really solid, incredible work. Thanks so much. Hey, cheers.